So this video is about a simple and complex compound interest formulas. So consider this. Principal is defined as P, rate per annum is R, time in years is T, simple interest is denoted by SI, and amount is denoted by A. So to calculate the simple interest, the formula is P R I by 100. So P is principal, R is rate per annum, T is time in years divided by 100. Okay, so this is the formula for calculating the simple interest. And second one is the formula for amount. So to calculate the amount, the formula is principal plus simple interest. Okay, so principal is denoted by P. Okay, then simple interest is PRT by 100. So here P is common, so take out P. Then 1 plus RT by 100. Okay, so this is the formula to calculate the amount. Okay, so next one is compound interest. To find the compound interest, the formula is amount minus principal. Okay, amount minus principal. So amount is this one, which is P into 1 plus RT by 100 minus principal is P. Okay, so here take out the P as common, then 1 plus RT by 100 minus 1. Okay, so this is the formula for calculating the compound interest. So any doubts, please comment. Thank you for watching.